welcome back to Learn It or
Return It
with
Josie and Mommy
and Iris. And today we're going to be talking about the game
Don't Rock the Boat.
Yeah. Alright.
So I'm going to open it up.
And it's for how many players? 2 to 4. And ages? 5 and up, kiddo. Alright.
So we have these little penguins.
What else do we have?
And we also have this stand. So this
That's a
goes on
wave.
top. And then we need to take this stuff out.
So what are those? Masts.
Mask.
I'm going to show how the boat goes together.
So it goes together like this. So you usually put that down. Then this on like this.
Let me turn it sideways though, so it's a balance. Yep. So what's the goal of the game?
To try to not tip the boat. I'll just put instructions into the boat. Well, into the box.
This is the fun part, isn't it? Balance. Looks good. So how many penguins do we each get?
3.
Divide them up.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Just separate them. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2.
1, 1.
I think we get 8 each.
2.
Just separate them.
3.
And we get 8.
And 4. 4. 5. 5. 6. 6. 7. 7.
Do we have 2 more?
8.
Is there 1 more?
8.
Yay. So do you want to start?
Yes, I will.
Alright. So we take turns, and what do we do every turn?
Try not to rock the boat.
But how do we play the game? Let's show, I guess.
So you basically try to put that on, and it tips.
Oh! So,
But that wasn't the game.
so it's,
It's just to show.
so the one thing to mention as well is you can hang it either by the sword, because they're little pirate penguins. There's a sword here, so you can hang them upside down. There's also their little bandanas, so you can hang from there, just like that, if you wish. The other way, I think you can also possibly hang by one of the feet, maybe not. But I think it's just by the sword or by the bandana. So let's see. So do you want to try again?
Like this.
Oh! Do you want Mommy to try first?
Yeah.
Now your turn. That's the tricky part, is when it's hanging like that, you think, oh, have I lost? So I'm going to tip it that way too. Oh! And then, so you're hoping you're not going to be the one to rock it. You want to get as many up on there as possible before the other. Anyway, so mommy lost. Can you grab my penguin? So.
We both
So anyway, that's the game. Do you want to say anything about it, Josie?
So, I really liked it since we got it.
Mm-hmm.
Well, and it's really nice.
And the penguins are just super adorable, aren't they? Do you see the penguins? Yeah, they're pretty cute. Yeah, the one tricky part is keeping the boat balanced when you're setting it up, but that's not too bad once you get the hang of it. And the other part is actually the one neat thing I like is that when you're packing it up again, so when you take all the masks off and everything, I'll just show you with like this. Just one sec, I just want to show the part underneath the boat. You can put everything but the so you fit everything but the main wave in the bottom of the box, and you have to put the box or the boat in the box on an angle, so that is kind of handy. So anyway, that's the game. And Josie, let's just say bye. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Hope you like it as much as we do.
Bye.
Okay, bye bye.